Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check Discord user last online. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you that Discord doesn't provide any feature to see user last online. If the user is to your friend, you can just simply see the last online to your friend. The condition is the friend is not disable the status option. You can tap on the friend's chat, and after tapping on the friend's chat you can now tap on the name at the top left corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply see the profile name, and it is the way you can see last online on Discord. It is the way you can see Discord user last online. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.